Want to safely unpair your Apple Watch 11 from your iPhone? Doing it properly preserves your data and disables activation lock. First is open the watch app on your iPhone. Tap My Watch and click All Watches. Apple explains that unpairing must be done through the iPhone to ensure your Apple Watch backup is saved automatically. Select the watch you want to unpair. Then tap the info icon next to the watch. Tap Unpair Apple Watch. If the watch has a cellular plan, choose whether to keep or remove the plan. Apple explains you to enter your Apple ID password to turn off activation lock during unpairing. Wait while your iPhone creates a backup and unpairs the Apple Watch. Apple notes that this backup is automatically saved to iCloud, allowing you to restore it to a new watch later. Then once unpairing is complete, your Apple Watch will be reset to factory settings and ready to pair with a new iPhone if needed. This is the official and safest way to unpair Apple Watch 11.